In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Things 3 and Notion to synchronize your tasks seamlessly. This connection will allow you to effortlessly manage your tasks across both platforms, giving you more streamlined productivity and ensuring you never miss a deadline. So, let's dive right in and get started on this process. First things first, you need to locate the Things 3 Sync template on the Notion Marketplace. This is where everything begins. Open your browser and head over to the Notion Marketplace. Once there, use the search function to look for the Things 3 Sync template. Finding the right template is crucial because it has been specially curated to integrate both Things 3 and Notion in a way that allows for easy task synchronization. Once you've found it, you'll want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. This ensures that you know exactly what you're working with and how it will fit into your existing workflow. After locating the template, the next step is to add it to your Notion workspace. This part is as simple as it sounds. Just click on the option to add it to your workspace, and it should seamlessly integrate into your existing Notion setup. This step effectively sets the stage for your new integrated task management system. Think of your workspace as a blank canvas and this template as the perfect tool that will paint a more organized and manageable picture of your task list. With the template successfully added, it's now time to configure the shortcut. This step is essential to ensure that data is transferred smoothly between Things 3 and Notion. In your Things 3 app, you will need to set up shortcuts that will communicate with your new Notion template. This likely involves enabling certain settings and permissions. Remember, shortcuts act like bridges in this scenario, connecting the data flow between the two applications. During the configuration process, take note of any specific options or settings that appear. Pay attention to what you're customizing, as your choices will determine how effectively your task list syncs between Things 3 and Notion. It may take a bit of time to get everything just right, so don't rush this step. A properly configured shortcut will lead to a smooth and efficient syncing process, saving you considerable time and effort down the road. And there you have it. By the end of this process, you should have a fully functional integration between Things 3 and Notion, allowing your tasks to sync automatically. This setup will aid you in enhancing productivity and keeping you organized across both platforms. It's a powerful way to manage your workload and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you keep your tasks on track.